So this is how to add a new car on Otto. Come to more and then come in and select fleet. Once you select fleet, select new vehicle and you'll then see two options: the name of your company's vehicles or partner vehicles. So here the name of our company is Support. And so in the support vehicles, these are cars that you own, and partner vehicles, these are cars that you're sub-hiring or outsourcing to be able to give to a client. If they're your own, you'll click your name company vehicles. For us, this is support vehicles. You then indicate the year. Please remember you can use this search at the top, for example, to write 2016 and then select the option. You can then come in and type Toyota and then select Toyota. And then we can say the model here, for example, is an X-Trail. So we can say X-Trail. And then the license plate, for example, could be KZZ, leave a space, and then say 123A. And then select the number of seats that you want the car to have or that you know it has. So here it's 5. So I wrote 5 in the search. And then select the category. And this is a mid-size SUV. The drivetrain is two-wheel drive. The transmission is automatic and the fuel is petrol. Once you're done, just quickly review all the details that you have here and then select next. So this car already exists, and so it shows it was already in the system. I can come in and say B, and then once I say next, this car does not exist on the system and it's therefore loaded. You'll then come, check the category type, select mid-size SUV, select the category in which it belongs and the payment. This will be similar to a Nissan X-Trail at 7,000. The car can either go as self-drive, both self-drive and chauffeur, or only for chauffeur. In this case, it goes for both. And once we're done with that, we then select next. At this point, we'll then add some features that this car has. It could have AC, Bluetooth, sunroof, and radio. Maybe I remembered it doesn't have a sunroof, so I will untoggle that and then I'll click next. You can also choose to add images for the car. For example, in the front, you can come in and upload this from your photo library if you have the images. If you don't have the images, it's very okay. You can just simply add the vehicle to fleet and it will pick one of our standard issue images to be able to show the client. That's how you add a car that's belonging to your own fleet. The other second option is you can add a partner vehicle, in which case you'll come in, select one of the partners. If the partner is not in your system, you'll come in and you can add their names. So you can say, for example, Auto Support is the partner, and then you can add that as a partner. You'll then see now it immediately pops up as an option. So you can then come select the make. So let's say in this case, it was a Mazda. You can, let's say it's a CX-5. And then the license plate is KZB 234 A, for example. The fuel is petrol. You can then select the category. This is a mid-size SUV, and then it goes for the same price as an X-Trail goes for, which is 7K. You could choose to edit this price by clicking edit and then changing. Perhaps you have this car going for 8,000, and then you click save, and then you can now add this vehicle to the fleet. As you'll see, the partner is required here at the top. You can come in, select in the event that you hadn't selected one, and then you can add that vehicle. And that's how you're able to add a partner. So we can toggle between your fleet here, or you can toggle between partner fleet. You'll then be able to see that you can go off Otto, and you can see some of the cars that you've added for the ones that are not on the Otto network, which is our KZB 234A, and you can see the details here. So that's how you add a car that is either belongs to your own fleet or belongs to a partner on Otto. Thank you.